it going, everybody? Sorry I missed yesterday. I didn't get home till 7:30. I was going to put a video up. I even attempted to. Wasn't happening. Well, today, I called today. My bearings are in for the disc. I just left Greenville. It's 3:30. It's probably going to be late by the time I get there, but I got to go by the shop to get the bearings. And hopefully, I'll be putting a disc back together today. And if it's enough daylight, I'll video it. Well, I'll see y'all when I get home. Oh, like my new hat. Got my new hat. $2.50 at Walmart. It ain't got no names or nothing. Of course, I don't need no names. I wallow around in the dirt and grease all day. I ain't gonna pay a whole lot of money for a hat to wallow around in dirt and grease. This one does just fine. Well, I'll see y'all at the house. But I've been talking about this disc on my videos for a week. There ain't gonna be no sound in it. I'm gonna take all the sound out of it, and it's gonna be going fast forward.
I'm gonna let you handle that, man.
Okay.
I'm gonna hold it for you.
It's okay, Mr.
I don't want to break the video.
Or if I get home at a decent hour tomorrow, and if you're here, we'll slap them on the disc. And that's all there is to it. Got them all put back together. We're gonna put them back on the tractor tomorrow. That's all we're gonna do this evening. We headed to the camper now. Oh. Home sweet home, y'all. Time to sit and relax and watch the woods. It's 76 degrees out here right now. Big difference from this weekend. Hopefully all the cold is gone. Tomorrow get the disc put back on the main disc. Get the disc sections put back on the main disc. And then we're going to break up some ground and plant a garden, hopefully at least by this weekend. So I'm extremely excited about that. Sorry I didn't get a video up yesterday. Got home at 7:30, I told you. Well, y'all have a good evening, and if everything goes right, I'll see you tomorrow.